Hello friends, VVSM Academy, welcome. The subject inorganic chemistry, topic periodic classification of elements, subtopic 14th and 16th group of the periodic table, carbon group. VVSM Academy, a school of arts and science. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya, Vision Village School Master, Kalyananagar, Bangalore. VVSM Academy in Kalyananagar, it is a school of arts and science. Today let us discuss about the periodic classification of transition elements, which are metals. Group 14 elements, transition metals. The carbon group is periodic table group consisting of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. In modern IUPAC notation, it is called group 14. In the field of semiconductor physics, it is still universally called group 4. The group was once also known as the tetrals, from the Greek word tetra, which means 4, stemming from the Roman numeral 4 in the group names, or not coincidentally from the fact that these elements have 4 valence electrons. Nitrogen is one of the chemical elements in group 15 of the periodic table. This group is also known as the nitrogen family. It consists of elements nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and perhaps the chemically uncharacterized synthetic element moscovium. Group 14 element, transition metals, carbon group. The group is periodic table group consisting of carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead and flerovium. And this is also very important. Semiconductor physics, it is still usually called group 5. The group 5 is the historical names come from the pentavalency of nitrogen reflected by the stoichiometry of compounds such as nitrogen pentoxide. They have also been called the pentals. The term nectogen or negogen is derived from the ancient Greek word meaning to choke, referring to the choking or stifling property of nitrogen gas. Group 16, chalcogens, oxygen family. The chalcogens are the chemically elements in group 16 of the periodic table. The word chalcogen is derived from the combination of the Greek word chalkos, principally meaning copper. The term was also used by bronze, brass, any metal in the poetic sense, word or coin, and Latinized Greek word gens meaning born or produced. This group is also known as the oxygen family. It consists of elements oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and the radioactive element polonium. This was discovered by the great scientist by name Marie Curie from Poland. The chemically uncharacterized synthetic element livermorium is predicted to be the chalcogen as well. Often oxygen is treated separately from the other chalcogens, sometimes even excluded from the scope of the term chalcogen altogether due to its very different chemical behavior from sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Chalcogens are chemical elements in group 16 of the periodic table, as I told you already, the oxygen family. And coming to all of the chalcogens have 6 valence electrons, leaving them 2 electrons short of full outer shell. The most common oxidation states are -2, +2, +4 and +6. They have relatively low atomic radii, especially the lighter ones. Chalcogens are typically non-toxic in their elemental form and are often critical to life, while the heavier chalcogens are typically toxic. All the chalcodons have some role in the biological functions, either as a nutrient or a toxin. The lighter chalcogens such as oxygen and sulfur are rarely toxic and usually helpful in their pure form. Selenium is an important nutrient but is also commonly toxic. Tellurium often has unpleasant effects, although some organisms can use it, and polonium is always extremely harmful both in its chemical toxicity and its radioactivity. Sulfur has more than 20 allotropes. Oxygen has 9, selenium has at least 5, polonium has 2, and only one crystal structure of tellurium has so far been discovered. Chalcogens. There are numerous organic chalcogen compounds, not counting oxygen. Organic sulfur compounds are generally the most common, followed by organic selenium compounds and organic tellurium compounds. This trend also occurs the chalcogen nectides and compounds containing chalcogens of carbon group elements. Oxygen is generally extracted from air and sulfur is extracted from oil and natural gas. Selenium and tellurium are produced by byproducts of copper refining. Polonium and livermorium are most available in particle accelerators. The primary use of elemental oxygen is in steel making. Sulfur is mostly converted into sulfuric acid, which is heavily used in the chemical industry. Selenium's most common application is glass making. Tellurium compounds are mostly used in optical discs, electronic devices, and solar cells. Some of polonium's applications are due to its radioactivity. Like, share, subscribe. I am Veerabhadraya Demaya, Vision Village School Master from VVSM Academy, a school of arts and science situated in Kalyananagar, Bangalore. Thank you. See you again in the forthcoming classes.